Do you want to know how you can get paid to take calls and chat on the Fibler app and if it's really worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and many viewers have recently asked me about this app and want to know more about my opinion about it. So therefore I decided to take a closer look, and in this Fibler review I will show both the pros and the cons and share my honest opinion about it so you can find out whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's just jump straight into what Fibler is, and it does have a website where it explains a little bit more, but the earning opportunity itself is through its app. You can see it's available both for Android and for iOS devices, and the way you would earn is in different ways. You can see, for example, you can post engaging videos and earn for every view, and you can also offer paid coaching and skyrocket your income. You can take calls, you can chat, you can do this one-to-one or group coaching, these different things. So how it works is basically, of course, you would register on the phone and create an account and everything. Just be aware that you do need your phone number to be able to register an account, so be aware of that. And the idea is that then you can set your consultation fees or your options, and this is of course only if you want to offer these coaching calls. Then you would set your availability also, but there are also other ways. If you don't want to do that, you can just post these engaging videos and share links to that, and then you get earned per view. So there are different ways to earn. Basically the idea is that you would need to build an audience, or basically the best is if you have an audience, and then you can post, for example, videos on Fibler. You can offer private consultations on Fibler. It can be voice calls, video calls, where you can charge people per minute. It can be $1, $2 or more, how much you want to charge. So that is the main way here where you can really potentially earn. They also do have this option here, for example, if you post these engaging videos, that you can choose to how you want to get paid. You can, for example, get paid per minute people actually watch these videos. So if you really produce high quality educational content, then that could be a way to do that. You can also let people just watch it for free, and then you will earn by the ads that are showing when these videos are running. So these are the main ways to earn, but you do need to do it with the right expectations, because even though you potentially can earn, there are some things you need to consider. So let's go over that next. So I've seen some people claim that Fibler is a super easy way to just make a lot of money. Just post videos and then you will earn, or you'll just take calls and get paid several dollars per minute and things like that. That's just not quite how it works. Fibler itself actually does say quite clearly here on its website who it is for example, influencers, celebrities, coaches, tutors, specialists, all these different things here. Mainly people who has an audience, people who has created an audience on other platforms, and then they can use Fibler to potentially monetize that audience by providing extra content or giving consultations and things like that. And if you are frustrated because you actually want to earn by doing things like that, or by becoming, for example, a tutor or influencer, you don't have an audience, then just hold on. I will tell you a little bit more about how you can get an audience a little bit later. For now, let us first talk a little bit more about, even if you are one of these, why Fibler might not be the best option. So the thing is, even if you do have an audience, then you have to be aware that Fibler will charge a fee, of course, or they will charge like a service fee, so a percentage of whatever you earn. So if you actually really have an audience, there might be other ways where you can monetize it instead of going through an app like Fibler, where you'll actually get more out of it. At least that's something that I suggest. Of course, Fibler can be an easy way because they have the whole system set up, but it just seems like they are not really keeping it up to date. When you actually download the app, it does look like it's not really fully updated. The socials are dead. The social media, they haven't posted there for years. So for those reasons, it's not necessarily the best option, in my opinion, if you have an audience and you want to monetize it. But whether you then have an audience and want to find a really great way to monetize it, or if you don't have an audience and want to learn how to build it so you can actually start earning potentially really great money online, well, then there is something you can do. So let's talk about that next. So if you want to make big money online, whether it is through Fibler or in general online, then one of the most important things is to build an audience. And it is actually something anyone can learn to do. You can learn to build an online business where you build the foundation, you focus on finding the right topics that you want to talk about, that people are interested in, connecting with those people. And it's not about becoming some kind of hyped influencer. It's about creating a real online business step by step. It is steps everyone can learn as long as you're willing to put in time and effort to do that. And if you are then creating an online business like that, where you build an audience based on real value that you provide, then the ways to monetize that, there are many ways, and it potentially can give really, really great money. If that's something you are interested in learning more about, then I will leave a link below to more information about one of my top recommended ways to learn this step by step, and with a method that I know actually works. So you can check that out below if you want to know more. Also, if you just prefer reading more about Fibler, I also do have a written review, so I'll also leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.